Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastasia. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok and Instagram if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, we are talking about the Amazon Prime Big Deal Days. This is my favorite time of year because stuff goes on sale and you can find some really great deals. I'm in particular sharing with you guys some of my holy grail home essentials that just so happen to be on sale for these days. I really hope you guys enjoy this. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below for you to check out. And without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is my new mirror door pergola. Now, my backyard reno is not even 100% complete, but we finally got the pergola up and assembled, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because it is actually going to be 20% off, which is a very significant deal. I love this. It was very easy to assemble. I will have a whole in-depth video on how you assemble it coming up shortly. So if you snag one, I will be sure to have that up in time for you guys to be able to use that as a guide. I just love this thing. It's amazing. So you can actually get it in a few different color options. I opted for the white just because it matched with my whole like backyard theme. So it's basically an all day, all weather. So it has this really cool, easy to use crank system where you can actually open and close the louvers from 0 to 90 degrees. Basically, you can have full sunlight and ventilation, or you can give yourself some shade. Another cool thing is it has this like patented integrated water drainage feature. So basically it's gonna be hard to share with you guys in this video, but if you can like understand the concept of when the water goes in the top, it's actually draining through each of the posts down, which is super cool. And I think that's one of like the best things about it. So that has just been super good quality, and I can't wait to share with you guys my full in-depth review, as well as share with you guys my full backyard reno when that is completed. And then I also wanted to talk to you guys, this is also on sale, the Mirador deck box. Let me just tell you, I'm obsessed with this. This might be like my new favorite thing in my whole house, because I will tell you why. I got some things for the pool. We've got some exercise equipment. We've got some fun little toys and everything for the pool. And they're like bright color. And you guys know I'm a neutral girly. So having like neon colored stuff in my backyard was driving me nuts. And I was like, where am I gonna put all this stuff? And then I was like, wait, the Mirador deck box. Super easy to assemble, very durable. It's on wheels. You can actually lock the wheels so you can kind of like roll it around. This thing is perfect. I opted for the middle size. There's 3 different sizes. I will be purchasing the large size for myself. So these are also perfect for cushions. So I definitely will need the larger box for all of these cushions that you saw earlier that are underneath the pergola. I don't want to leave those out, and it's a perfect way to store them. So definitely check out Mirador. I will have the links in the description box down below. They have some great deals today. Next up, these are just one of my more affordable, look for less home decor pieces that I love. You guys know I've shared these vases so many different times. I actually have them styled on my entryway, which I will have an entryway makeover video coming up shortly, but I definitely wanted to include these because they are on sale. They go out of stock quite often, so I would definitely snag them if you're in the market for them. They're definitely that like perfect designer look for less. Next up is this Ninja air fryer countertop, and you guys know that I've been renovating my kitchen pretty much since I got this house. It's taken a lot longer than usual. We had a few hiccups, and then just me deciding what color I wanted the cabinets and finding someone who could paint the cabinets that weren't charging a ton of money. That took some time. So the kitchen wasn't done, and I literally used this Ninja air fryer as basically an oven for the past several months. This thing can cook pretty much anything. I keep making a joke that even when the kitchen's done, I probably won't even use my stove. I'll just be using this because it's been amazing. Highly recommend. This is on sale today, so I would definitely recommend checking it out. It's actually 32% off if you can snag it at that deal. I would highly recommend. It's worth the money. You can bake, you can air fry, you can roast, you can cook your toast in here, you can cook full-fledged meal. Whatever you can do with like a regular oven, you can do with this, and it's seriously super easy. As you can see, this thing has like been used heavily. It's got a ton of marks on it, but it is 100% worth the money. All right, next up is this Shark Stain Striker. I personally love this thing. I recently got a really good deal on like my dream sofa. You guys will not believe, but I got my dream sofa from RH for 90% off. Obviously because it had a few marks on it. So I know that I'll be able to use this to get those marks out. And these are just perfect if you have like little spills around the house, if you wanna do like a quick cleanup on like a rug or anything. Super easy to use, and it comes with like the little formula, or you can like use your own formula, whatever you want, but I love this. This is being offered at 27% off, so I would definitely recommend checking it out because it's worth the money. All right, next up are these buffet cabinets with storage. Now, I am obsessed with these. I actually use them to store shoes. So this is kind of where we keep all of our shoes, and it looks amazing. It literally makes our entryway look so much more put together, but little does everyone know, we have just like a ton of shoes in these containers. You can definitely use them as like a media console or anything. Right now they have a great coupon for $50 off, but I'm sure they will even have a better deal for the deal days, so definitely make sure to check those out. All right, so the one thing that I don't own that I really wanted to pick up during the sale, so I'm including it, is the Echo Show 15. Now I know a lot of the other Amazon Eco products are on sale. I was very tempted because I believe like an older like version, not an older version, but like a smaller version, like I don't know if it was like the 8 or something, it was like 80 bucks. So it's a huge price difference. I'm holding out hoping that there is some sort of deal on this for Prime Day. Obviously I'm filming this a little bit beforehand, but this is on my wish list. I love it. So I'm hoping for some sort of deal. So I also wanted to mention that because all of the Eco Show products are like such a good deal today, obviously because it's Amazon Prime deal days. So definitely check out any Amazon products today because they will be on a great discount. All right, next up, probably another favorite thing within my home is this Horo Smart Toilet. These are gonna be 20% off. I know this is a pricey item, but I will tell you it is 100% worth the money. Even though they like sent this to me, I would definitely purchase one of these with my own money. In fact, I have an additional bathroom that I need one for, so I'll definitely probably be picking one up at the 20% off. It is super cool. It flushes itself. It obviously has like all the bidet features and like that, but I don't really care about any of those. I just think it's so cool that when you walk into the bathroom, the toilet seat comes up and like you don't have to like touch it. You can kick it with your foot to like get the other seat to come up, and then it has like the UV cleaning. All those like fun little things I think are really great, and it just kind of like flushes when you walk away. So super cool if you were thinking about getting a smart toilet. These also are a like more affordable version. Even though the price point seems a little steep, these can range all the way up to like $10,000, $20,000. So Horo still has like the really great technology, but you're like not extremely breaking the bank for the toilet. All right, next up is this faux olive tree, which I have been loving. This is very comparable to like the Pottery Barn one that I had before. So definitely like a more high-end look for less. These are actually going to be offered at 20% off, so a great time to snag them. What I'm doing within my home is a mixture of real and faux plants. I feel like certain plants like this, if you had an olive tree inside, they're very difficult to keep alive because they're not really meant to be indoors. And then same with like dragon trees and stuff like that. So now is a good time to check out some of these more realistic versions of faux trees because they can get pretty pricey. You can get some sort of like discount today. Obviously the Our Place Always Pan is a good idea to snag today. They always have it at around like 20% off. A really great time to just pick these up. They are a less toxic version of like your cookware, and I think they're amazing. They look really nice, and I love these for cooking, so definitely something to check out today since it's on sale. All right, A-Floral is offering some amazing deals on the holiday decor. I feel like today is the perfect time to start checking out holiday decor. I know it seems like it's a bit early, but once the time comes that you're ready to decorate, everything's gonna be sold out or not on sale. You have to grab it while it is on sale. So things like these stems and garlands, the stems were as cheap as $14. And if you guys know anything about A-Floral, they have some like really high quality faux pieces, and usually they're a lot more expensive. I believe this piece is actually like over 50% off. So definitely check those out. And then I finally upgraded my coffee machine to the Breville Barista Express. This is being offered at 14% off, which seems like it's like not that great of a deal. However, I think it's a good time to snag it because any discount on these is great. I still have my Nespresso and I love it for quick coffee, but there's no denying that the quality of the coffee on the Nespresso it's not the same as the Breville. You can get your own beans from like local coffee shops. Just a much better option for higher quality coffee in my opinion. I know there's also a lot of controversy about the pods that you use with an espresso. Obviously, those are not healthy for you. We know that, but the convenience, it's there. I love the Breville. If you can get past like the little bit of learning curve, it is a little bit more difficult to use. It is 100% worth it, but I still do love the Nespresso, don't get me wrong. All right, these dining chairs, you guys know how much I love these dining chairs. I think they are so amazing. They're on the casters, they're beautiful. I share them all the time. These are on such a great sale today, so I would definitely recommend checking these out. Again, another high-end look for less. Last time I checked, I know they had like the 10% coupon, but trust me, I feel like they're gonna have an even better deal today. So be sure to check those out because I think they're such high quality dining chairs. They're on casters, they're perfect, and they're also so comfortable. All right guys, those are the deals that I would highly recommend checking out today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget the links to everything that I talked about in today's video will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.